And many times we receive a call, and usually these are new designers, new inspectors, new electricians in the trade, and they want to know what is the difference between a one-family dwelling, a two-family dwelling, and an apartment complex, and how would they determine such. Now, Article 100 of the Code defines a one-family dwelling, a two-family dwelling, and multifamily dwellings. Now, a dwelling unit, period, where it's a single and a two-family, or an apartment complex, is defined as you see in Article 100. Look at the left-hand side of the drawing, and a dwelling unit with permanent provisions for what? Cooking facilities, living facilities, sleeping areas, sanitation, bathrooms, and so forth. If all these items are present, you're a dwelling unit. However, you could get into a commercial type thing, and you do away with permanent cooking and have a microwave, then most states, counties, and cities says that's not a dwelling unit because you don't meet the full definition for permanent cooking facilities. Now, if you want to get into more about dwelling units, and our article, or shouldn't say article, but our chapter, I believe it's 22, that's in volume 2, we go through all these changes in dwelling units. And there's a number of changes that you should be aware of if you wire dwelling units, either a single dwelling unit, or a dwelling unit in a multifamily setting, or a dwelling unit that's in an apartment complex. Is it a dwelling unit, or is it an efficiency type of apartment? It's just, it doesn't fall under a complete dwelling unit. So we would need to know this definition and be aware of it. So go to Article 100, and right there together, you can look at one family, two family, and apartment complexes, multiple dwellings, and then you'll know how to apply the rule.